That camera's a little crooked, but I'm coming on here today to showcase how you can have a full-size bathtub in the van. My van life channel is called VantrampCindy because I travel with a trampoline on my deck. I'm very I'm aware of my health and well-being, and there is a health bounce that I do on my van as I travel. It's not on there right now, it is in the garage. I am doing this video to show you how I keep a tub in my van and how it is utilized in the van. Now, I can't resort to the bathtub practically every night, so what I do when that happens is this is perfect. This is set up. This is my birdie bath. Collapsible wash basin, my cooktop stove that's in here that goes up here, warms up the water, and I do a 20-minute detox with Epsom salts. Soaking the bottom of your feet is just as effective as taking a bath as far as getting the toxins out of your body. And I do wash myself everywhere, and then you just empty it and store it away. Fits nicely right here. Spot for, I'll show you that on another time. What was so wonderful about this idea was the fact that I had purchased a tub because I'm really into detox baths. I'm into soaking in a bath. So it's really important for me to travel with a bathtub. And when I first purchased this bathtub, I realized I am not going to blow this up and deflate it every day. So I had this idea. I know God gives me all of my best ideas. Right, and I can use it as a closet. As it is now, I use it as a closet. And so this is how that works. This is a regular closet storage tote. This particular bungee just holds this looking good in its place. But all I have to do is unhook this. That hook is connected to the ceiling. I hope you can see that. I'm doing this video solo like I do everything. So this is my little closet. It's got a bin in every section. I take the bin out and I set it over here. So what I do then is, all I have to do, you take the tub and you just lay it in this nice open extended cab space. Lays right down here. It's a little deflated from traveling around. It has an exit right here. It has a little tube. You fill this tub with the amount of hot water that you want, and you attach the tube and it extends right outside the door. So this tub is awesome. And so after I'm done in the tub, it's a full-size tub. I hope Fox Vandy sees this, because this is a wonderful way to soak. So you would have to be at a place that has water, because you'll need a hose. You wouldn't want to, you could, if you're desperate, you could fill each saucepan and dump the hot water, and dump first some lukewarm water and then hot water, and have your bath. But the ideal setup is to have a hose coming in to your van to fill this. And of course you would have to have a hot water heater. So when I'm going to go away for 5 months, I am going to plan to get probably the Joyco hot water heater, and you can attach those heaters to a river. So all you have to do, okay, so say I've emptied the tub, it goes right back up here, fits perfectly I do have a guitar there. It's another thing. It makes for a really nice extra space behind there. I will inflate it a little more when I put it, but there it is. It's already back in place. I have this, and it goes right here. This slides right back into the tub, and you hook it up here. Like I said, that hook is attached to one of the steel railings on the ceiling. It's tucked right back into the tub. I've had this here for a year. Actually have a couple extra dishes in here rattling around. Because like I said, when I'm not using it, it's a really good closet. So there's my demonstration on my bathtub. Zips right back up. You have plenty of privacy because, like I said, you lay it down in the van and it fits. So then I zip that back up, but I'll zip it up later. Close out this video. Wanted to show you my idea to have a tub to travel with. I think it's a wonderful idea. It's a wonderful concept, and it works really good for me. I don't know if you guys have met my sweet dog Formy. This is Formy. And I only have to give her a little birdie bath in the collapsible sink that I just showed you. So, VantrampCindy and Formy signing off for now.